Hey everyone, Kate Miller here, coming to you from my remote office at home. We just got some information from the American Academy of Matrimonial Lawyers. So this national group that coordinates family law attorneys across the nation. And they have provided us with 7 guidelines for parents who are separated and sharing custody of children during this crazy COVID-19 pandemic. So I wanted to share some of these with you, and hopefully if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us so that we can help you out as best we can during this time. Number 1, be healthy. Yeah, we know. Wipe down surfaces, obviously, be informed, just keep things clean. Number 2, be mindful. You got to be honest about the seriousness of the pandemic, but also maintain a calm attitude around your children so that they don't pick up on the stress and anxiety. Don't leave the news on the TV all the time, but encourage your kids to ask questions so that they can understand as best as they should for their age level and appropriateness. Be compliant with your court orders as much as possible. Obviously, some things might not be possible if, schools have closed and that's when, pickup is supposed to happen, or if daycare is closed. So do the best you can. This is definitely going to be a situation where you'll want to call your attorney to find out the best advice that they can give you for your specific situation. Be creative. It'd be crazy to think that nothing is going to change during this time, and so some parents are going to have to work extra hours and adjust their schedules at home and whatnot. So encourage closeness with the parent who's not going to see the child as much through things like FaceTime and Skype. All right. Number 5, be transparent. Be honest with information, not only to your children, but also with your co-parent, about any suspected or confirmed exposure to the virus, and try to agree as to how you're going to handle it, especially as it relates to sharing time with your child. Number 6, be generous. Try to provide makeup time to the parent who missed out, if at all possible. That's certainly going to come in to play if you're talking about a potential contempt issue, if this thing ends up being a situation where court orders just can't be followed and one parent feels like it's contemptuous. So, be generous. Last one, be understanding. The AAML says there's no doubt that the pandemic will pose an economic hardship to all of us. And the parent who's paying child support should try to provide something, anything, as best they can. But this is certainly an opportunity for folks to come together and really try to talk through their issues. And by come together, I certainly mean, through your attorneys or through email if you can. If not, then potentially through a video conference mediation session. We're equipped to do that at Miller Bowles Law, so if you are interested in doing that, please let us know. If you have any questions about these guidelines and these tips from the AAML, happy to talk with you about that. So everybody stay safe, stay healthy, hang in there.